Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Aisha and I'm glad that you clicked on this video today. So today I'm back with another hair video, and this is the hair company that we are working with today. I don't want to try to pronounce their name because I'm not sure if I'm gonna say it right, but I will leave the link to this hair in the description box. If you guys are interested in this hair, you can check it out. So right now I'm just showing you guys what comes inside the bag. And you have some lashes. So this hair was 18 inches long, and here's the hairline. I will say that my stylist said that when she was trying to bleach knots, with these knots you do have to bleach them a little bit longer than usual. I will be giving you guys more detail about the hair during the install. Right now I'm just showing you guys what all the hair came with and what the hair is looking like. Y'all, I did not like the way my face was looking because the wig cap had my face all scrunched up. So that's why I put an emoji over my face. If you guys was wondering why it's there, that is why. Yeah. So I originally was looking up Amazon wigs on YouTube, and I seen a girl who posted about her top 5 best Amazon wigs that she had bought. So this was one of the wigs that she mentioned, which inspired me to go and buy the wig. So just some details about the hair. So if you are a type of person that likes to wear your hair like in the wet and wavy or wet and curly type look, then this wig is definitely for you. This is not a wig that you can just like do like style and moisturize for a little bit and then go on. You do have to continue to put like water and some type of leave-in conditioner or like something to define the curls because it does get frizzy. Other than that, I don't think the hair, I've only been wearing it for 2 days so far, so I'm just giving you like a little 2-day review. I have slept in this and I did not take it off, so. But when the curls are defined, this is a very pretty wig. It is cute. I do like it. This hair was pretty affordable. And when it comes to shedding, you know, all curly hair pretty much sheds, but there was no major shedding with this hair so far. This hair is 180 density and it did come pre-plucked. So you guys, my phone did start running out of storage, so I had to switch to TikTok to record. So there was a couple clips that I did not get, and I do apologize for that. Next time I will be prepared for this, y'all. But so if you guys are wondering, like, why is there a TikTok sign, or why did it switch to this quality? Yeah, that's why, because my phone ran out of storage. It wanted to play crazy at the last minute. But I'm showing you guys the final looks now of the hair. So here is the final look of the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.